The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Cook County in northeast Illinois, extreme northern Will County in northeast Illinois, northern Lake County in northwest Indiana until 10:45 p.m. At 9:46 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a line of severe thunderstorms capable of producing quarter-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. These storms were located along a line extending from Chatham to Mokina and moving east at 20 miles per hour. Severe thunderstorms will be near Posen and Dixmoor around 9:55 p.m. Markham and Country Club Hills around 10 o'clock p.m. Phoenix, Hazel Crest and Harvey around 10:05 p.m. Homewood, Flossmoor and Dalton around 10:10 p.m. Thornton and South Holland around 10:15 p.m. Glenwood, Calumet City and Burnham around 10:20 p.m. Severe thunderstorms produce damaging wind in excess of 60 miles per hour.